The self-improvement community is a mess. People are shouting at each other with different opinions on Discord chats everywhere. You got the blue pill, the red pill, even the black pill, 100 different perfect diets and workout routines to follow. But when I was meditating yesterday, I got an epiphany. I gotta be honest, I was completely lost in thought during my meditation, so that was a big L. But at least I came up with this idea. The self-improvement pyramid. From the bottom to the top, these are the fundamentals to build a happy and successful life. From starting with the most simple things that are the most important to get right, to actually self-actualizing and being a successful and happy person. Every part is very important, but only makes sense in the position it's in the pyramid. Really, please just watch this video till the end, because I think if you really understand this pyramid, it has the ability to change your life forever. So let's start all the way at the bottom with sleep. Ask anyone in the health and fitness niche. Brian Johnson, Andrew Huberman, even Hamza. And they'll tell you that sleep is the most important thing for your health. If your sleep is bad, it doesn't matter if you eat right, train right, meditate, go to a therapist, follow your purpose, whatever, your life is gonna be shit. This is why sleep is the bottom fundamental where the entire pyramid is built upon. So how do you get good sleep? It's really easy actually. Go to the bed at the same time every day, wake up at the same time every day, don't lay in bed while you're not sleeping, and sleep for more than 8 hours a day. There are some more specifics about getting good sleep and really perfecting it, but I'll go over this in a future video for anyone that's really interested. Next up, your diet. This is the second building block for living a good life. Anxiety, depression, and worst of all, of course, no gym gains are all results of a bad diet. If you want to get your life in order, eat the right food. Your diet has so much impact on how you feel, from your energy to your motivation to just your general happiness. If you sleep right, but you still eat like shit, your life is not going to be a total mess, but it's not going to be great either. Following a good diet, however, is a little bit more complicated than getting some good sleep, because scientists are still fighting over what's actually healthy and what's not, and there's just so much more that comes to it. There are some general things that I'm quite sure about though. Don't eat sugar, don't eat any refined carbs, eat as many whole foods as possible, try to limit processed foods, get enough protein, 1 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight, of course get enough vitamins and minerals, and lastly probably try to stay away from any vegetable oils except for extra virgin olive oil. I have a lot more thoughts and opinions about food and what's healthy and what is not, but I'll go over that in future videos because that's gonna take a while. The next layer is exercise. Only when your diet and your sleep are in order, it makes sense to focus on exercise. Because without proper sleep and nutrition, your exercise is gonna be shit and you're gonna produce little results. On the other hand, focusing on your mental health or your purpose without doing any exercise is also not gonna produce many results. So this is why exercise is exactly in the middle where it is. Building a strong and able body is essential to building a happy life long term. For exercise, I recommend building muscle and increasing your VO2 max. I made a free workout routine that you can download in the description. You don't even need to sign up your email address or anything. It's just there for free if you want it. If you're a beginner, it's probably a bit much, but as a beginner, you can just Google and you find so many free workout routines online you can just use. Your sleep, diet, and exercise are now all locked in. If you still have any mental health problems left, they're actually serious. First of all, for anyone, I would recommend to start meditating. Doesn't matter if your mental health is good or bad, this is going to improve your life in all aspects. Secondly, resolve any dormant trauma. You can do this with just a pen and a paper and enough time, or you can seek professional help. I make it sound really easy, which it isn't of course, but you really have to resolve all your trauma before you go to the next step and be able to live a happy life. Which is, of course, to find your purpose. All the basics are now done. You get enough sleep every night, which makes you feel good, focused and energized. Your diet is locked in, which makes you feel good, focused and energized. You have good exercise and a good healthy body, which makes you feel good, focused and energized. You don't have any unresolved trauma or mental health issues holding you back for doing whatever you want to do or distracting you. You are no longer tormented by your own mind. So you now finally have the time and clarity to focus on your purpose. Before, it didn't make any sense to look for your purpose, because you were unhealthy and unhappy. So your purpose should be to get healthy and get happy, to get your life in order. Only then you can start peeling back the purpose layers of your life. You can of course focus on purpose immediately, start the business, make the millions. But ask anybody who's done that. Are they happy now? Were they happy when they were doing it? Finding your purpose isn't easy. First off, start by doing as many different things as possible. Just go all out. Figure out what you like this way. But also don't underestimate doing nothing at all. Just sitting there staring at your wall and see what comes up in your mind. Once you find your purpose, focus as much time and energy on it as possible. Don't impede on any of the progress you made in the previous steps of the pyramid and see where life takes you. Be better than you were yesterday. See you next time.